I thought you guys were hugging.
Can I take a picture of you guys hugging?
No.
Here, guys, look up. Smile. Okay. Oh, I can see your faces. Alright, Nick, you have to calm down. It's late.
Maybe, who are you going to marry?
Nikki! I want to marry when I grow up.
Nick, is that okay with you?
Aw, that's nice.
Show me how you guys will dance together. Come on, stand up.
I'll show them how we dance.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I'm dancing.
All right, calm down.
I'm dancing. Don't fight me. Whoa. Let's do that again, Nick. Let's show them how we dance.
Is that your daughter there, you guys?
No.
On the floor?
Nikki, is that your baby?
No, this is my baby. My sweet little girl.
Aw.
Sweet little girl. What's your baby's name?
I need a drink.
I will go get you some water. If Nikki's mom will just hold this and keep filming.
Okay. Hey, maybe, are you thirsty?
Yes. The throat can help if you have a sore throat and you need water.
Hey, Pickles, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
What are you playing with?
I'm Thomas.
Nice.
It's a new one.
I got round stick
You do?
and train.
That's so cool.
And a train and a monster truck and a car and the top and the house.
Wow.
And everything else.
That's so cool. It's Super Bowl Sunday.
Are you done, Mom?
Yep. As soon as Mrs. Devane comes. I don't know how to turn her off. Oh, here comes Maybe.
Hello, I love you. Hello. Let's show you how we dance.
I don't really take a picture.